Hey girl, hey, this is your elegant friend, Alicia, and today we're going to be doing a Sunday reset. Let's get into it.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try. Keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try. Keep up. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We could reach away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You can wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. just be. Don't take it, just don't be.
Okay, so run into a slight dilemma. Reason being is because I don't think I showed you guys a before pic. However, the living room and the new rug that I purchased, which I love so much, and it just fits the whole aesthetic of the living room. And then also the kitchen, this rug and where the dining room lays, where the dining room sits. So the living room, where I have this rug, and then also the dining table, and as you guys see, I have a rug under the dining room table. I'm running into a bit of an issue, okay? And the issue is that I'm trying to, like, it was looking too crowded because the dining table and the rug here was kissing, literally kissing the living room rug. And I don't want that. I really don't care for that at all. I'm not feeling that. So with me not feeling that, as you guys saw, I had my husband to push it back, push the dining room table back a little bit. Okay, thought I was running out of memory. But anyway, so I had my husband to push the dining room table back a little bit, and let's see how that looks. But now, because of the chairs that I have, my chair is right here, which is, you know, you guys can see, they're right here. My chairs that I have, they're pretty big. So with them being so big, it's like we'll have a chair here and then a chair here. So it's 6 of them. I have 6 of them to go around the whole table for our family. But if I push the dining room table back with the rug, which I love how this looks, right? I love how it's literally a complete separation from the living room and the dining room. I love that. However, with the chairs into play, because they're so big and they're so bulky, the chairs are not going to properly fit under the dining room table with it being pushed back like this. So yeah, I'm running into quite a dilemma, because you guys can see we have this wall here, so I can't put a chair right here. Then it's like a wall over here as well. So and then I don't want to bring it closer to the living room. I don't, because it looked too crowded. I want to have it like a clear, you know, so I want to have a clear distinction between the living room and the dining room. So I have to figure this out. I guess I'm gonna have to push it back, because we have to use all of our chairs. Like when we eat dinner, or any time that we're eating, we use all of our chairs, literally. So I have to figure this out. What you guys think? What do you think? Should I push the dining room table back more, where it literally runs into the patio almost, or should I bring it back up? All right, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how the living room looks, okay? How big this living room rug is. All right, so this is the living room rug. I have stuff on the floor, like Amir stuff is on the floor right now. So anyway, okay, I'm trying to figure this out. So I love this rug. I purchased this not too long ago. It's like a 9x12. But the thing is that it was kissing the dining room rug. So I'm not sure what to do, y'all.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Ooh, I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about